Hi guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Courtney Lynn, and for those of you who are brand new here, this is the channel where I like to post all of my cleaning, organization, and home decor inspiration for you guys. So if you're brand new, be sure to hit that thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel so you won't miss out on any other videos that I post. So without further ado guys, let's get started. In today's video, I am doing a quick spring cleaning here in our living room area. This is a part 2 spring clean with last week's video. Last week I did some easy spring cleaning in the kitchen, and today I'm doing some easy spring cleaning in our living room. So if you're looking for the ultimate spring cleaning, this video is definitely a little bit more laid back than that. We won't be flipping the couches over in today's video to clean underneath them. We're just doing some simple stuff. This is more things that we do about once a month. But we are putting some spring decor out, so that is what makes it more of a spring clean for us. But we're just doing some easy stuff today here in our living room. So right now, as you can see, I am folding all these blankets, not doing a very good job at it because I know we'll probably be pulling them out later. But just folding all the blankets, putting everything away that was out, fixing the pillows. And if you saw at the very beginning of this video, I was writing out a to-do list. And for this spring clean last week and today, I wrote a to-do list, and these help me so much to stay focused and to know exactly what I need to get done, because sometimes I get distracted and I'll do a million other things before I get finished what needs to be done. So I will go over that to-do list here in just a second, but for right now, I'm just showing you all of the spring decor that we're putting here on our mantle. We like to keep it pretty simplistic. We're just doing lots of greens and lots of whites, kind of more neutral with a little bit of pink. All right, for those of you who are interested on what I wrote down on my to-do list, I wrote down to first tidy up the living room, which I've already done. And then next, I need to dust all of the furniture in this room and then everything that's on the walls. The wall decor, the picture frames, things like that all need to be dusted. And then I need to wipe down all of the windows, dust all of the blinds, and then the front and the back door both need to be wiped down. And then I need to put all of the spring decor that goes in this room, I need to put that all up. And then I need to spray some Febreze fabric spray all over the furniture, the couches, to give them a nice fresh scent. And then lastly, I need to vacuum this room. So that's about it for our mantle decor, and as you can see right here, I'm going to be adding 2 pieces of this greenery to be attached to the greenery that we already have on there to make it look a little bit longer and fill in the entire mantle. So after I used the Swiffer to dust down the door, I took some Sprayway glass cleaner and a cloth to clean the window. And here again, I'm just using the same sprayway glass cleaner and a paper towel to clean these windows. So if you watched my videos for any amount of time, you'll notice that sometimes I'll start laughing or I will be talking to somebody, and that is most likely my mom. I still live with my mom and dad, and she is so gracious to let me help her out around the house and film it. So most of the time she's right behind me, just helping me out in any way that she can. She's so awesome with that kind of stuff. She is one of my biggest supporters, that's for sure. But that's usually who I'm talking to or laughing with or making faces at. So that is the person behind the camera. So this little entryway area wasn't on the list, but I went ahead and vacuumed it with our Musu cordless vacuum, and then went ahead and mopped it with our O-Cedar spin mop. So we ordered these pillow covers off of Amazon last year, and they're perfect because they're good quality and they're pretty inexpensive if I remember correctly. But we just slipped them right over our regular pillows that we have here in the living room, and they look so adorable. All 4 of them are different patterns, but they all correlate together. I'm not exactly sure where we got this pillow cover from. If I had to guess, I would say either somewhere like Ross or Home Goods or TJ Maxx, something like that. If you look at my to-do list, you'll see that the bottom of the to-do list is a to-do list for the kitchen, which is the last video that I made, and I will link that for you guys to watch if you'd like to see the kitchen spring clean. Now I'm taking the Febreze fabric spray in the linen and sky scent and going to be spraying this all over the couches. So this tiled area right here in front of our back doors was also not on the list, but it needed to be done. I'm just vacuuming this area with our Musu cordless, and then going to be using the same O-Cedar mop that I used at the front of the house to mop this up. And what I'm using in the O-Cedar mop today is I'm using hot water and some Lysol pomegranate concentrate. So another thing that I had forgot to put on the list, which is super shocking to me that I forgot because this is kind of a given, I just needed to wipe down all of the baseboards. Don't look too closely at our baseboards or our walls because our house desperately needs to be repainted. It has been almost 15 years now and it is time for a fresh coat. And also, you might be wondering why we didn't clean our ceiling fan, and the reason to that is because our ceilings are extremely high and we didn't have the right size ladder to clean it that day. Alright guys, this room feels a whole lot better. It is definitely cleaner, that's for sure, and the spring decor is very cute and very simple. And I know that when it gets closer to Easter, we'll be adding some Easter decor here upon the mantle and all throughout our kitchen and probably everywhere else in our home. But for right now, we're keeping it pretty subtle with these few spring decor changes. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please be sure to like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time.